Love that glides elixir cost forecasts range from 0 and 1 cent by 2030 market investigators, with the exception of SLP, which might hit 0.2025 bearish. The smooth love mixture market cost is expected to be $0 in 2023. Smooth love combination acquaintance when it comes with play to get profits as the first NFT gaming title to reach $1 billion in sales, XC limitlessness has captured everyone's attention. It is credited with putting play to acquire on the global gaming map. Sky Mavis launched the game in 2018. But it just launched a year ago accompanying the NFT blast HC Boundlessness, which was the previous Summer Star convention, with close to 1 million regular dynamic clients. XC Infiniteness is a NFT-supported play to acquire blockchain game in which users amass animals known as axes and fight them against other players. In its ecosystem, Axiate employs two tokens, Smooth Love Elixirs and Axie Endlessness Shards. Essentially, SLPS are obtained by playing the game in the meantime. AX is an admin registration token that allows holders to choose essential options such as game functionality and depository finance spending. Before determining whether SLP would be a profitable investment in 2022, we should backtrack a little. We'll meticulously describe the job and utility of SLP and the HC limitlessness environment, as well as the variables influencing the cost of SLP in Sky Mavis future plans. What exactly is XC Infinity? XC limitlessness encourage the play to gain ongoing interaction model, in which players are reimbursed for essentially investing energy playing the game. Also, players entirely own their in-game characters or stuff as NFTs, which they may sell, purchase, or use for interactivity. This distinguishes XC limitlessness from the vast majority of the current conventional close-circle games where advanced things must be utilized in-game. It got to a point where the barrier to passage was too high because the expense for purchasing the 3 axes required to play the game was cosmic. In the meantime, there are financial back workers and business people who can without much of a stretch shell out the assets required to purchase axes yet don't have the assets. A market gap compelled grant and society programs to exit. Grant the administrator or society purchases or gives the 3 axes that the player will use to play the game and obtain SLP. They expect all the gamble to loan 3 axes to the new player. In return they obtain a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to acquire an Axie Endlessness, permit their supporters to receive a portion of the benefit. Silky Love Elixir's current price. Smooth Love Elixir is currently worth nothing. SLP is now up 0.06% with a trading volume of 5,656,867. With the overall strength file moving weighted normal Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Smooth Love Mixture to determine whether having a bullish or negative year is currently going on. Sky Mavis is occupied with repairing its image and tending to the hack that troubled its framework and thus aches the endlessness. It is now supplying a bug plenty to identify any flaws in its spectacular agreements or web-based frameworks properly. Whitecap programmers will be paid between $1,000 and $1 million. Depending on the severity of each flaw discovered. In the interim, faults in the application or web connection points will be reimbursed with $15,000. Our cost expectation gauges make use of constant smooth-flowing Elixir market data, and all information is updated live on our website, allowing us to provide dynamic cost estimates based on current market movement. Expected value of Smooth Love Elixir in 2023. From some viewpoints, Smooth Love Mixture is one of the most amazing cryptographic kinds of money to emerge this year. The SLP cost figure for 2023 anticipates a significant increase in the year's last portion, maybe reaching $0. Similarly to other digital currencies, the rise will be gradual, but no substantial losses, averaging $0, are expected. The cost is very high, yet it is possible sooner rather than later, given the predicted concerted efforts and growth. SLP is designed to have a starting value of $0. Every 2024 Smooth Love Mixture value expected. The Smooth Love Elixir SLP cost projection has a lot of room for improvement because of the potential declarations of numerous new associations and drives, and we anticipate that the cost of SLP will soon outperform $0. In any event, we should wait to see if the SLP's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone before making any bullish predictions. Wagers based on market unpredictability. SLP will exchange at a base exchange cost of $0, a typical exchange rate of $0. If the vertical pattern continues until 2025, the smooth love mixture value could reach $0. SLP may gain if the market experiences a downturn, but the goal may not be attained. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0. 2025 smooth love mixture value expectation. 2026 assuming smooth love licks are effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans. The SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be worth $0, with a $0 base cost and a $0 usual cost. After some broad gauging and specialized inquiry, we estimate the SLP cost as expected to cross a normal value level of $2,027 with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. SLP has a maximum value of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2028 because representing future organizations that are expected to happen by 2028, we anticipate that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0 if SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028. We could see a maximum cost of 1 cent. Failing to assemble the help SLP requires by 2028 could result in a low of $0, while SLP is working towards interoperability between organizations to accelerate connection. The bull ISH pattern from the previous year is expected to continue. So the base exchange cost has been set at 1 cent in a yearly cost close to 1 cent in 2029. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2030 by 2030 Smooth Love Elixir will finally outperform its previous ADH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 1 cent a year. The digital money market is known to be extremely volatile, which is one of the many reasons why cost gouging is a troublesome error. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations should not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should dire in 2031. We anticipate that digital money will have gained acceptance across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme SLP cost in 2031 is projected to be 1 cent. How much does Smooth Love Mixture cost nowadays? Smooth Love Elixir is exchanging for nothing. A total market value of $65,330,393. A seamless love combination